Hot damn. So it's our first flat we've had, surprisingly. We drove across the United States twice. So we just got it today. Anyway, what's up, dude?
Oh,
shit.
Daddy. Here, Mom.
Easy enough. Almost broke my wrist twice doing it. Anyways, now it's all repaired. Let's check for leaks. You can use soapy water.
I've seen flat tires strand across the road.
We see any bubbling. That's how you know your leak is still leaking, but I don't see any bubbles being formed. Thus, the leak is fixed. Bastard.